Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel everybody. Today in this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how to see memories in Facebook. Ever wondered how to revisit those special moments you share on Facebook over the years? Well, you're in right place. In few simple steps, you will be reliving your memories in no time. So let's get started. Here, begin with opening your Facebook app and make sure that your account has already been logged in. Once you're on the dashboard, tap on Menu present on the bottom right of your screen. Tap on Memories represented by a clock-like icon. After that, once you're on the Memories page, tap on the clock-like icon which is present on the top right of your screen. And now here you will find a daily collection of posts, photos and interactions from this date that you have made in the past years. You can even turn on the archive and share your stories from the past years to your Facebook friends. To share your memories from the past years to the world, enable the toggle button present right beside. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.